Hey, what's up guys, it's Portuguese DIY Dad. I wanted to make a quick video and show you how I'm replacing these fog lights on the Nissan Titan. Alright, so let's go. So these are the fog lights that are original to the car. You see how foggy they are and they're just crappy. I already took one out to see how it's done, so I can show you real quick. It's actually really simple. Okay, you're going to need an 8mm socket. Okay, you're gonna need also a star bit. Okay, let me show you the old one. Like, look at that. This is the old one, and then this is the new one. Of course, it has a plastic film around it, but it's really shiny. It's new. These are really cheap. It came even with the bulb on the inside. All right, let me show you the condition of my old ones. All right, didn't even have the socket to plug the light in. All right, it's crazy. But these are just old and run down. So really quick upgrade to your fog lights. This is a really cheap thing to do, but it's gonna look amazing, and I'll show you at the end what it looks like. Okay, let me show you. It has this screw right here. Alright, that I started using. I used the 8mm to get the nut off, and it's so rotted that it just broke off. That's okay, it's the old one. 2 push pins right here. Alright, you push them out and it comes out through the front. You just pull it out, okay, just like this. Okay, you just pull it out, okay, and then the new one will go in. All right, and then we will use the nut to the new nut to secure it, and then plug it in, and that's it. All right guys, so let me show you what it looks underneath, and don't judge my truck. It's been through a lot. It's an Ohio truck, so it went through a lot of winter, so please don't judge. But this is what it looks like. Here are the pins, 1 and then 2. Here's the plug, right? You unplug it right here, and then this is where it gets secured to the housing. All right. It should be labeled left and right, so just make sure you're putting the right one in. Fog lights that I purchased, I'll throw the link in the description box so you have access to it. To be honest, it happened again. I tried to take it off, even though I sprayed it, it just broke off. So it sucks. Okay. Luckily, I have a set of nuts. No pun intended. Okay. And it's one of the sizes. It's this one. Okay. So let's see. It is M5. Yep, it's the M5. Alright, so I'll throw this kit in the description box as well. It saved my life right now. So I'll show you how it came out. Alright, this is how it came out. It's nicely secured, and now I'm going to do the next one. Alright, let me show you what the new ones look like. Alright, and I just tested them and they work. They look beautiful, nice and bright. Alright, save some money, do it yourself. Do me a favor, give me a thumbs up if you like this video, subscribe to the channel. I appreciate it. God bless.